everyone, my name is Soumya Chindho and you are watching Sip and Sync with Gen Z. And I come from the city beautiful, the city of Chandigarh. I did my undergraduate in psychology from Jesus and Mary College, Delhi University, and currently I am pursuing my MBA from IIM Nagpur. So, talking about Sip and Sync with Gen Z, this is going to be a series of interviews with business owners who have been in the industry for quite a long time and who know how the industry trends and everything around it changes. So, the purpose of this series is to bridge the gap between Gen Z and other generations which are working right now, considering that the workplace consists of multiple generations at the same time. Now, this entire idea started with mere curiosity. Curiosity about why are Gen Zs being talked about so much? And curiosity about are Gen Zs able to fit in the traditional workplaces or are they making changes to it? So these set of questions, these set of curiosity led me to talk to these business owners, and in the process I decided to talk to both the segments. One, the business owners who are hiring the Gen Zs and who are dealing with Gen Zs as their customers as well. So basically getting to know about the industry inside and out. And the second part would be talking to my fellow Gen Zs who have just stepped into different industries, working there, and getting to know about their difficulties and what they are expecting from their owners. Now, I am hoping to get to a conclusion of what the Gen Zs want and what the business owners want to deliver to them, which would help us understand this entire professional setting in a better way. So I'm not sure about the conclusion of it, how appropriate it would be, or if there would be any conclusion. But I am very curious. I am very excited about this to talk to different people, to get to know about their views of Gen Zs, and to tell them about the views of us. So stay tuned with me. I hope to add some value, and thank you so much for watching.